Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long since I have vlogged. I sat down last week and filmed my bump date, but it has been so long since I've like vlogged what I'm doing. And I'm so excited to be back, but you can't see me, obviously, because we're driving. So, I'm leaving work right now, and I'm going home, and I'm vlogging because today and tomorrow, or tonight and tomorrow, are going to be pretty fun days. And so I wanted to start the vlog so that I can show you guys what's happening. Okay, so this past week I've been watching a lot of my old videos, like from the summer, and even before then, like last spring when we got Duke. So, sorry, I'm so out of breath. Pregnant. I've loved them. I loved watching all of those back and like seeing us at the fair, seeing us with Duke, like just random weekends. It was so fun, and I'm starting to like remember why I love vlogging and why I love sharing with you guys. Oh, sorry. It's totally to share and connect with you guys, but also it's to like look back on these memories for me and be able to watch them with Riley and see like all the fun stuff that we do and just everything. Like I just love it. Sorry, it's so bright. I don't even know what's happening right now. Let me put you over here. Is that Annie better? For now. Okay. Anyways, so this weekend, it's Thursday night right now, and my mom and my stepdad and Tiny Pal are coming to town tonight. They're gonna be on their way in just a couple hours. They're actually down in Utah, so they're just coming up to see us for a little while. And then we have basketball games for Riley tonight. We're gonna go to birthday dinner tomorrow night for Riley because his birthday is next week and my parents want to celebrate with him. And then we're just gonna have a weekend of doing fun stuff, girl stuff, all that kind of jazz. So one of my very best friends is coming over tonight with her dog, who's Duke's best friend. Like, hands down, I'm not even making it up. Like, they are best friends. Like, they love each other. So they're gonna come over for just a little bit and play so they can see each other. And then we have Riley's basketball game, all that stuff. My mom, stepdad, and Tiny Pal will be here, and it's just gonna be a super fun weekend. So I'm gonna show you guys all of that and just like have a weekend again that I want to remember. I want to remember these times when I'm pregnant and people are here to see us, or we're doing something fun. Like, we find out the gender in 3 weeks, which is amazing. I'll be 15 weeks. Like, I'm so excited. But I also feel like it's going by really, really quickly, and I haven't documented hardly any of it. Like, we took pictures for the first 4 or 5 weeks, but since then, like, I just haven't been good about taking pictures every week, and we haven't been vlogging or anything. Like, I want to document this, and I always have wanted to document this far more than I have. So once we find out the gender, I feel like that's really going to be a big turning point, just because I can start actually buying stuff that will be useful and not just buying like gender neutral onesies, but totally in my head I'm like, this is totes for a girl. I'm like, this is absolutely gonna look cuter on a boy. Like, I don't care. I want a healthy, happy baby. But like, you know how like some days I think it's a boy, some days I think it's a girl. So if we ever do go buy anything, I have that in my head. So once we know the gender and I can start like making the nursery in my head and getting all their stuff, like, it's gonna be so much fun. There's gonna be way more to video and to share with you guys. And I don't know if a lot of you guys know this because I have new subscribers since we found out that I was pregnant, but Riley graduates college in 3.5 months, 4 months. And so we are going to be moving from the city and probably state that we live in to a completely new place, to wherever he gets a job or wherever we want to go, and for him to find a job there. So I won't be able to like make the nursery here at our house that we live in because we'll be moving probably May or June, and I'm due in August. So that means July and August nesting is going to be insane, and I'm going to have everything like jam-packed into those 2 months. So once we find out the gender, I want to start getting things together and accumulating, so just to make it a little easier. So anyways, I've been blabbering for way too long. I'm just gonna show you guys when I get home. Next is Duke and Odie playing together. They're so cute and I'm so excited for them to see each other again. It's been honestly a while. So I'm driving, I'm almost home, but I will see you guys then. Okay, it's Saturday morning now. It is hot in here. And yeah, I didn't vlog basically at all on Friday. I was supposed to go get my labs done. That just didn't work out the way we planned. And then we went shopping, went to dinner, hung out with my mom, had a lot of fun. But I got home and I felt really sick. Not like nauseous or pregnancy sick, just like bad. Let me put you here. Don't know if it's gonna work. Okay, sure. This is better because my arm can't hold you. It's hot in here. Oh, I don't feel good. Anyways, Riley went to basketball this morning. I woke up, threw up 4 times. It's just not a good day. I don't feel like nauseous. I don't feel food poisoning. I don't really feel anything. I'm just hungry and I just am scared to eat. Like nothing sounds that good. But yeah, not good. So I didn't vlog at all yesterday. Probably not gonna vlog very much today. But we're gonna go to Noodles, see if I can get some of that and see if it tastes better. It's so freaking bright. And then we're gonna go to the library to get a book for Riley and just spend some time there because it's a happy place. And then who knows? It's only Saturday at 4 o'clock, so. Hi you guys, it is the next weekend, but I'm gonna start editing the vlog, so I wanted to close it. It's almost 1 o'clock Sunday, February 3rd. It's the Super Bowl today, so we have our Patriots gear on, because we love Tom Brady, Gronk, all the Patriots, all that. I'm feeling hungry and sick today. We have 2 hours of church and we teach the 3-year-olds, so it kind of wears me out a little bit. So I'm making food really quick before we go to the Super Bowl party. And I think we're gonna go meet his parents really quick to eat. But I don't really like where they're eating. Riley does, and I'd rather just eat here. But I lit this candle. It's from Target. It's Sea Salt Vanilla by Chesapeake Bay Candles. You guys, it smells so like homey but clean. Like it's not too much vanilla. It smells really refreshing and like springy, but it's not sweet or like overly fruity. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I love it. Ooh, I love it. But Well, that's too bright. I'm just walking around because my food is making, I don't feel good. But I'm just really excited. I hope this vlog was fun. Look at all the Legos we have on our table. That's lovely. We have a lot of changes coming. Oh, maybe I can put yours here. I don't even think we're gonna live here. Actually, I'm pretty sure, like I'm 98% sure we're not gonna live in this city, like starting 3-4 months before the baby's born. So we have to start looking at new jobs, look at new houses, and get like moving and stuff like that. But we also just have to get Duke in some extra training, which I've talked about for a long time, but it needs to get done. Also, I need to just clean my kitchen in general. There's a lot. We find out our gender, this little baby. Oh, you guys can't see the bottom, but I'm bumping today. We find out the gender in 2 weeks. And I'm pretty sure we'll share it like right then, like either that night or the next day. But I'm really excited. I just want to know. I'm so excited. I just want to know what the gender is so we can start calling it its name instead of like a nickname, because we have the boy name 100% set. If it's a girl, we'll have to do some extra thinking, but then it'll put like a fire in us to like find the name. So that's my goal. I cannot wait to find out and share with you guys. I have another pregnancy video coming for you, all about my first trimester and how I survived it. Again, like I said in my other video, I had a really easy first trimester. I'm hoping the next two go the same way, but I had a really easy first trimester. I threw up 4 times, but like one day in the morning, and I think I had the flu. Like it wasn't related to pregnancy. I don't think it had nothing to do with morning sickness. I didn't feel that way. I think I had a little bit of the flu because it was like last week when the flu was going around work and everything. So yeah, I'm in my second trimester now, and so that video is coming out, but I wanted a vlog in between so it's not all pregnancy for you guys, just because life's fun. Oh yeah, you guys saw in the vlog that I was sick before. So yeah, that's when I threw up. I'm pretty sure it was just because of the flu and not actually pregnancy, but I just wanted to show you guys that candle because I love it and I'm so excited. And I'm gonna get this vlog edited, hopefully uploaded today before the Super Bowl, or like during halftime. I'll kind of keep editing and uploading. But I love you. I will see you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll just talk to you soon. Bye.